Thank you for using and coming back at FDC4 Production, the channel that always provides you value for free. Today, I would like to share this great tool that many of you out there didn't know about. Some of you even pay money in order to draw diagrams and flowchart and more. As usual, please smack that like button and subscribe to my channel to provide me some support. I'm working really hard in order to get better at this every single day, and I'm gonna see if I can try to bring you value every single day because that's the idea. Master, practice make the master. Today, I'm gonna share with you Google Drawings. We all know about Google Docs, the Google Sheet, and slides, but very few people know about its neglected sibling, Google Drawings. It's the freshest among all Google Drive tools. It is not full-blown image editor like a Microsoft Paint, or but I mean the graphic editor is more powerful for one simple fact. It is a real-time collaborative application. At its most basic, it is an online whiteboard, so you don't have to download it into your computer and actually take a space away from it. So it's an online whiteboard that you can get advantage of it and add it into your Chrome anytime you want. You can lay out diagrams, create flow charts, and then easily add them to other documents or embed them on a website with Google Drawings. Here's a few things that you can do. You can edit drawings online in real time with anyone you choose and invite others to view your edits in real time. You can chat with others who are editing your drawing from within the drawings editors, but you can actually publish drawing online to the world as images or download them in standard formats. Insert text, shapes, arrows, scribbles, and images from your hard drive or from the web to enhance a diagram or painting. You can actually insert drawing into other Google Docs, sheets, and or slides using the web clipboard. Then tweak them in inline. You can design infographic. You can screen design of wireframe. Um, the overview of these is you can create shapes and diagrams, like I said before, add some color to your document presentations and website with easy to create charts and diagrams. Get it done together, build charts, layout diagrams, create flow chart, and then easily add them to other documents and embed them on the website. We just said that before. Um, this is the size, and it comes in different languages, so you can use it if you're in a different country and do a lot of stuff. You can actually do that too. These are the review. Um, this one actually not that good. 5 stars. There's always, I always seen this. I mean, it doesn't. There are people that even though they use a very good tool, because this is a really good tool, I'm telling you. It doesn't matter how great the product might be. They're still not satisfied. They don't. It's not that they mean it. They just that they just find something and provide it. You know. Um, they're good people providing good comments. 5 star. This is one. Access anywhere, anytime. I lie. This thing is in an app. It's just a redirect button to Google Drawings website. That's what I just explained about. This is just a you can actually get that online. I mean, it's not like you cannot put it on the site. They explain it. It's already there now. Um, right here. We have it all here. Plain and simple. You can actually trace and do a lot of figures, flow charts. Um, you can actually see it's a flow chart. You can actually do a lot of stuff in here. And anything you want. You can color it if you want. You can fill it if you want. There you go. You can actually do a lot of stuff. The sky is the limit, ladies and gentlemen. And this is a tool that I know people that are paying for it and other products and format, of course. You can actually do presentations. You can actually do, I mean, if you have your business that you need to do a presentation or do a flow chart, you can come right quick in here. You don't need to have a package or a CD or a program. If you actually find yourself to be an emergency and you need to do a flow chart presentation right quick, straightforward, I introduce to you Google Drawing. It's straightforward, waiting for you right there. You can actually embed it. Like migrating it into others um, 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 products. Like I said before, Sheets, Google Sheets, Docs. I mean, you can, you know, migrate them, which is it's comparable. That's the right word I wanted to say, and it's perfect. I mean, you don't have to wait to download these and opening here. And no, this is a straightforward. It's a website, simple. Um, it's not crazy, um, and I love it. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. If you really want to learn how good to get into this, the only thing you gotta do is to start practicing it. If you're a person that you actually don't have too much resources, this is the way. If you actually in doing a program or require you certain type of software to do a particular thing at school and you don't have it at home, Google Drawing. This is the way to go, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you for free and let you know that it's out there. Many of you didn't know about this, and now you do know. There is no excuses. And you found it in here at FTC4 Production. I'm gonna actually put the web page, which you can Google it and you'll find it right there. But I'm still gonna put the page down below. So in case you wanna go directly there and find it and know more about it, you may feel free to do so. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. My point is not to make this video that long. I gotta practice on stop doing, going straight to the, straight to the chase, and give you straightforward material that you might need information right to the spot. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some love back. Have a wonderful day. Until then, FTC for Production. Bye bye. Ciao.